Okay, so we're wanting to know the probability of less than 100 minutes. So we have to convert this normally to a z-score, but we are actually going to use Excel. And so the first thing you need to do is to find the standard deviation. Um, and we are given the standard deviation, I believe. Yes, so we have to find the standard error of the mean. Okay. And then once you find the standard error of the mean, you're going to plug that into your formula, and that's going to be your standard deviation for your problem. Okay, so we have x, we know the mean, we just need to calculate the standard error of the mean. So let's do that. It's the standard deviation, which is 17, divided by the square root of n, and n is 20. So we're going to do 17 divided by the square root of 20. And I'm going to put an extra parenthesis just to make sure. Alright, so there's my number. Homework rounding is important, and I believe we're going to round to 3 decimal places. But let's look at the example just to make sure. Looks like on that one, yeah, so we have to round to 2 for the standard error of the mean. So we're going to round this to 2. So this is going to be our standard deviation. I believe x was 100 and n was 20. So then we're just going to do normal, and then .s.dist. Okay, actually, let's do, so we don't have to get the z-score, let's do norm.dist. So x is 100, and the mean, I didn't get that one. Let me see what that is. Your mean here is 98 minutes. So let me put that. Alright, and then your standard deviation is 3.80, and you want it to be cumulative, because anytime you want it to be less than up to a certain number, you want it to be cumulative. So most of the time it is going to be cumulative. So you get 0.700, let's see, 7, we're going to round to 3. So 0.701. Okay, so let me know if you have any more questions. You're going to do the next one the same way, except now n is going to be 28.